One of the best ways to make your videos more engaging and more professional looking is lighting. And in this video, we are going to talk about the GVM 10S, which is a versatile RGB LED light that is packed full of features and it won't break the bank, so stay tuned. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, the tips, and the strategies so you can start a YouTube business because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And I've been using this GVM 10S light for some time now, and I wanted to do this quick review because I find them really easy to use and they have worked really well when shooting my videos. So let's go through all of the features, the price, and everything you need to know about this cool light. The retail price on GVM's website is about 50 bucks, but I got the 2-pack with 2 stands, hot shoes, batteries, velvet pouch, and chargers for about $125 on Amazon. And I will leave links down below where you can go check out the price on both websites. What you get is a light panel that has 192 LED lights. 64 of them are bicolor and 128 of them are RGB. It has this diffuser that you can slide up and down, easily take off. And you also get a 1/4-inch hot shoe that you can use for mounting on your camera or any other device, as well as a rechargeable battery and a charger. And if you order the 2-pack, you get everything including these 2 stands. When you're purchasing a light kit, one of the things that you want to check is the CRI rating, and that stands for Color Rendering Index. And according to lumens.com, the color rendering index is the measurement of light in relationship to how it affects the appearance of color. It's on a scale of 0 to 100, so 0 being the poorest quality and 100 being the best quality. And this is important for video creation because you want to make your subject as clear, as bright, and as close to how they appear in an outdoor natural setting. The GVM 10S has a CRI index of 97, so for the price, you know you are getting an excellent source of light. I love the versatility of these lights because they can produce a variety of different shots. So what bicolor means is that of the 64 bicolor bulbs, 32 of them produce a white daylight color temperature, and the other 32 produce a warmer home type lighting. But the 128 other RGB light bulbs create an array of great colors that you can use for any purpose you want in your videos or even in your photos for your thumbnails. So this casing itself is made up of all plastic, so it's not the most durable, but it's held up pretty well as I tend to be a little hard on my equipment. It's very compact, so it could be a great light if you are vlogging or you're a content creator on the go. So looking at the back of this kit, this lithium-ion battery slides right into the back really easily. But if you want, there's also an optional 12-volt DC plug, but it doesn't come with the kit, so if you want that, you're going to have to order that separately. There's a button to turn it on and off that's right here, and you can see the exact settings for your brightness, your color, and your battery life in this LED display. So the brightness is controlled by this knob here, and each turn increases or decreases the brightness by 5%. Now the bicolor control is right here, and it starts at 3200 Kelvin and goes all the way up to 5600 Kelvin. And each turn of the knob increases or decreases the temperature by 100 Kelvin per turn. Now to control the hue and the saturation of this light, you press this button in and you can see that this changes to the hue setting. So for instance, if I want a green color, I can turn this knob to 120. If I want red, I turn it to 0, and so on and so forth. And if you want to change the saturation, you press the button again and you get to the saturation menu, and you can dial it up or down by 5% increments with each turn of the dial. Now if you aren't very familiar with the hue scale, you can also use your smartphone to control these lights with the GVM app that you'll need to download from either the Apple App Store or Android's Google Play Store. Now setting up the lights to the app takes a little playing around with, and it's not the easiest, but once you do, you can really dial in the colors you want by spinning this dial here and setting the saturation with this slider. You can also adjust the brightness and color temperature on this app with these sliders right here. And you can also connect as many GVM lights to the app as you want because they are connected to your phone via Wi-Fi. But I find it a little tedious to switch back and forth because you have to go into your phone settings and change the Wi-Fi to the light you want to control. One of the reasons I purchased these lights is because I love how portable they are. They're small, they're compact, and they come with this rechargeable battery, which means I'm not tripping over light cords during my video creation. I also use this light in a few different ways. One of the ways that I use this light is directly connected to my camera on the hot shoe. And I use this light instead of a ring light just because I love the versatility and all the controls and settings that I have on this light. I also use this light as a fill light in a standard 3-point lighting system. So in this video that I'm shooting right now, I have my main light or my key light over on the side here, but also right here off to the side, which you don't see on screen, is the GVM 10S as I use as my fill light. So if I turn this off, you can see the difference. So the left side of my face, the right side if you're looking at the screen, is darker. So if I turn this back on, you can see it acts as a great fill light. I also use this for my backlight in a 3-point lighting system if I'm not filming in this studio, if I'm filming somewhere else. Finally, I use it for when I have to take photos in a dark area instead of a flash. So for instance, I'm filming in my basement. This is where my studio is, and it's dark in here. So I use this light mounted on the hot shoe on top of my camera whenever I'm doing my thumbnails or other photos for my videos. But there are so many other ways you can use this light. The possibilities are really endless. So you can get these lights directly from GVM, or you can also find them on Amazon.com. And if you have Amazon Prime, you can usually get them in a day or two. And I'll leave links down below in the description for both sites where you can go check out the current price. Now for the price, I don't think you can go wrong because they are great versatile lights that you can take anywhere and get some amazing results. But my favorite light to use is the GVM 800D RGB LED studio light. And these run about $90 just for the light and with nothing else, all the way up to $350 for the 3-pack with stands and carrying case. And this is a 168 LED bulb light that is also bicolored as well as RGB, but it has a couple of extra features and power that I really like. And you can go watch my full review of these lights in this video right here. Hey, if you got value from this video, please hit that thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what lighting system you use for your videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.